In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name of the free Webflow domain. If you've ever wanted your Webflow staging link to better match your brand or be easier to share, this quick walkthrough is for you. We're updating the free webflow.io subdomain that comes with every project. Just a quick note up front. This affects only your webflow.io address, not any custom domains you might connect later. Also, when you change this subdomain, the previous link will no longer work, so be sure to update any bookmarks or shared links after you're done. Start by heading to your Webflow dashboard. This is the central place where all your projects live. Once you're there, find the project you want to update. If you have a lot of projects, use search to get to it quickly. On the project card, look for the three dots, usually in the corner of the card. That icon opens a small menu with project options. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the project settings area, different from the designer, where you control things like hosting, publishing, and other site-level preferences. Give the page a second to load. There are several tabs along the top or left. Next, open the publishing section. This is where Webflow lists your active publishing targets, including the free webflow.io domain. You'll see your current subdomain displayed here, something like yoursite.webflow.io. Look for the option to edit or change that subdomain. Click to edit, then type the new name you want. Webflow will check if it's available. Keep it short, memorable, and aligned with your brand. Stick to lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens, and avoid special characters or spaces. If the name is already taken, try a simple variation, like adding a short descriptor or a hyphen. Remember, clarity beats cleverness here. Choose something your audience can easily type and recognize. Once you've entered an available name, confirm your change to save it. From now on, your project's preview and share link will use the new webflow.io address. Your next publish will reflect the updated domain, so any live previews going forward will load on the new URL. It's a good idea to test the link right away to make sure it loads as expected, and then share the updated address with teammates or clients. That's it. You've successfully changed the free Webflow domain for your project. If you're planning to use a custom domain later, you'll handle that separately in the hosting or custom domains area. But for now, your staging and share links are cleaner and on brand. Thanks for watching and happy building.